Say it, in English.
What is the conditional mood in English? We use the conditional mood for hypothetical scenarios, an event that might happen. When we are uncertain about whether something is going to happen, we speculate about the outcome. Conditional sentences are composed of two parts: the if clause that introduces the condition, and the main clause that explains the result or outcome if the condition is met. What is the second conditional? The second conditional describes outcomes that are either improbable or impossible. This indicates that the outcome is doubtful because the condition either can't or probably won't occur. An example of an improbable situation is, if I found treasure, I would buy a mansion in Hawaii. Finding treasure is possible but highly unlikely due to the low odds, so the outcome of buying a mansion would probably never happen. One instance of an impossible situation is, if I had wings, I would fly to school instead of taking the bus. Humans can't grow wings. This makes the situation impossible, so the outcome of flying to school is impossible. The most common second conditional pattern is if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Ensure there is a comma after the if clause. If I had a car, I would drive to work. Well, I don't have a car. The other form of second conditional is would plus base verb, followed by if plus past simple. Note that we don't use a comma after the main clause. I would drive to work if I had a car. Even though the second conditional uses the past tense in the if clause, the past tense actually refers to the present or future. Now, consider this sentence. If he were the president, he would change the law. Or the flipped order with the main clause leading. He would change the law if he were the president. Did you notice that the past form of the verb be is were? Was becomes were. In the if clause of a second conditional sentence, no matter what subject, pronoun, or noun is used. Look at these examples. If I won the game, I would travel around the world. If there were more team members, the job would be done more efficiently. If I were rich, I would buy a spacious house in the countryside. I would hire a boat if I were at the beach. She would go on a road trip if she knew how to drive. Let's use the pictures to practice making second conditional sentences. If we had some fresh oranges, we would make fresh juice. If he ate more vegetables, he would improve his overall health. You got it. If they used online discount codes, they could buy things cheaper. Great! If she followed the recipe instructions, her dish would become delicious. Well done! If I were John, I would clean the windows more often so it wouldn't be so difficult later.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.